Hi, let's take a walk. So we'll be walking toward Jameh Mosque in Jameh Mosque Street, of course, because that's the way to name them. And it's a beautiful autumn night. What you just saw and are seeing in front of you is a clock tower, and the start of the street. This is what, as they say, if you have one day in Yazd, this is the place to spend. And not much to talk about it. I just love walking down this street, and we'll be commenting on people walking by. I'm sorry for this reflection in the video. I don't know what's the cause of it, but I will get into it. It's a very beautiful place. A lot of guys just hanging around, looking for girls, of course. As you can see, that's a sample just right there. The shops are mostly handicrafts related to Yazd, because a lot of tourists come around here, but they're unrelated as well. So many people wearing yellow. I really like the color. Families, young couples, tourists. A lot of people here tonight. And yellow again. Or orange, I don't know. Maybe. Hey kid. Lovely little girl. And this is a toy store, completely unrelated. Why not? If you notice the lamps, the street, the chairs, everything is attractive, good to this place. This place is like a complex. Every alley has some tourist attraction in it. I will get into them some other time. This video is specified for this street. And that's in front of you, the view of Jameh Mosque and the respectful police around. The mosque itself is closed, related to COVID reasons. You can't visit inside, and that's as far as we can get. Hope you liked it. Thanks for the support.